Our entry for Texas Instruments Innovation Design Contest 2015 is a piezoelectric based non-invasive pulse wave analyzer. The pulse wave is a powerful tool in analyzing the onset of various cardiovascular disorders. The project aims to be a low cost substitute for analyzing and detecting various disorders like hypertension, stress, diabetes, etc. As per the World Health Statistics of 2012, the largest proportion of non communicable disease deaths is caused by cardiovascular diseases. Also, cardiovascular diseases is said to be the largest cause of death and disability in India by 2020. Of the various cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, hypertension, and coronary heart disorders contribute to the major share of deaths. This circuit shows the basic description of the signal conditioning circuit required to obtain a pulse waveform. Major parts of the circuit consist of a piezo sensor, an amplifier followed by a level shifter found by using a resistive divider, and lastly an analog to digital converter. In this circuit, we have used the TI components MUA741 and EZ430 RF2500 board, which has MSP430F2274 microcontroller, as well as a CC2500 wireless module operating in 2.4 GHz RF link. The piezo sensor converts changes in stress to corresponding changes in electrical charge across it. These changes in electrical charge is amplified to equivalent changes in electrical voltage using a MUA741 based non-inverting amplifier. The pulse waveform is obtained by placing the piezo sensor on the radial artery present on the wrist. Thereby, the pressure changes on the radial artery are obtained as a pulse waveform by measuring the equivalent changes happening on the radial artery. The waveform obtained after amplification consists of a wave having positive as well as negative parts. Since the ADC is incapable of detecting negative voltage, the waveform is level shifted by an amount VCC by 2 using a resistive divider. The level shifted waveform is coupled to the analog to digital converter using a 1 nanofarad capacitor. The level shifted waveform is fed into the 10-bit ADC. The 10-bit ADC has values ranging from 0 to 1023 levels, where 511 corresponds to 0 voltage, values above 511 represent positive part of the waveform, values less than 511 represent negative part. The sampled ADC values are then transmitted wirelessly using a CC2500 module present in EZ430 RF2500 board.
The piezoelectric sensor is strapped to the wrist over the radial artery using a Velcro strap. The position of the artery is found using palpation. The sensor is strapped tightly and a slight pressure is applied on it to obtain better readings. A 5-volt regulated DC power supply is used for the biasing of operational amplifier. The analog input signal from the sensor is converted to digital form using MSP430F2274 microcontroller. The digitized signal is then wirelessly transmitted using CC2500 module.
Transmitted ADC values are received by the CC2500 receiver module attached to the computer. The received ADC values are then transmitted serially to the UART block present in the microcontroller. The received values from the serial port are suitably plotted and analyzed. Here, we have used MATLAB software to plot and process the received data.
The signal is received using RF2500 and is analyzed using MATLAB software. The values above 500 correspond to the positive part of the signal and those below 500 correspond to the negative part. The cardiac cycle refers to a complete heartbeat from its generation to the beginning of the next beat and thus includes the diastole, systole and the intervening pause. The two peaks in the signal correspond to the systole and the diastole of the cardiac cycle. Systolic and diastolic pressures correspond to the maximum and minimum blood pressures respectively. A 3-minute recording of the signal is obtained and is used for further analysis.
A 3-minute recording was carried out for every volunteer to obtain the data required for analysis. A digital low-pass filter was applied to remove high-frequency noise components, which also smoothened the pulse waveform. Pulse rate variability was obtained by taking difference between the successive peaks in the pulse waveform. A fast Fourier transform based power spectrum was obtained for the pulse rate variability signal. The ratio of power in low frequency band to high frequency band is an indicator of blood pressure. So, a higher ratio is observed with people suffering from hypertension. These are the components we have used for this contest. We thus conclude the explanation of our design.